This peppery pumpkin orzo is fall on a plate. It's inspired by cacio and pepe pasta, which literally means cheese and pepper. So yes, there's lots of cheese and freshly cracked pepper. But to celebrate autumn, we're throwing an oven-roasted pumpkin or butternut squash in there too. The base of this dish is an easy one-pot orzo, which gives off risotto vibes, but it's much faster to make and involves way less stirring. Cooking the orzo directly in broth gives it a lot more flavor, and the pasta starch releases into the sauce to help it thicken. And we all love less dishes, right? To start this recipe, you'll want to peel and chop a small pumpkin. We like using sugar pie pumpkins because they're smaller and less fibrous, but you could swap butternut or similar squash instead. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, then pop it into a 425-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. If you're into meal prep, you can roast an extra baking sheet of veggies for the week ahead. Then, start the orzo by warming olive oil in a skillet. Add onion and cook until translucent, then add garlic. Stir in dried orzo, then add broth. Bring to a boil, then cook, stirring frequently until orzo is al dente, 8 to 12 minutes. Remove from the heat, stir in butter to make it silky, salt, and lots of freshly cracked pepper for flavor, and a bunch of Parmesan to make it cheesy. Then stir in that delicious roasted pumpkin. Spoon into bowls and enjoy. To make this vegan, simply use vegan butter and vegan parm. If you want to add greens, chopped spinach or kale would be delicious too.